Hi, my name is PV. So today we are going to discuss about valid palindrome. This is example. As you know, the palindrome is the first and last character are the same. So if you see here, this is the simple example. Here, first character is A, last is A, so this is true. Again, the next is the middle, so it's fine. But in the second problem is the most one character we can remove. So if you see here, A is matching, but here if you remove the B or C, it will also. So how do we solve problem? What we did here. So first we are checking is valid. I have created one function is valid, so skip to one thing. So is valid, what we do, we have low starting value and ending value, and then we are checking in this string whether between that low and high value if it is a palindrome or not. So if it is not, then return true. Otherwise, low equal to and high equal to, we can reduce and check, right? So of the given string, so what we did here, if you see, so first we check the first and last character. If it's a palindrome, then reduce the 1 minus s. You skip one character and the check if it is palindrome or not. Second things, if you check here also is valid or not. So if it is the right side, you can remove else, return the false. And